Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will show you how to make a single delicious chocolate chip cookie, perfect for when a craving strikes. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 tablespoon of softened unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon of packed light brown sugar. Also, prepare 1 egg yolk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of your favorite chocolate chips ready to go. Now, let's get mixing. In a small bowl, cream together your softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the egg yolk and the vanilla extract until everything is well combined and smooth. In a separate, even smaller bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, and a tiny pinch of salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing until just combined. It's almost time for a warm cookie. Gently stir in your 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Now, form the dough into a single, round ball and place it onto a small, parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake your cookie in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. Look for golden brown edges and a center that still appears slightly soft. The hardest part is waiting. Once baked, let your cookie cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps it firm up before you move it. Then, carefully transfer the cookie to a wire rack to cool completely for another 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the cookie to set properly and develop its full, delicious flavor. Now, you can finally enjoy your warm, freshly baked chocolate chip cookie, all for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.